Hello, my beautiful wildflowers. How are you today? Alexis here with Modesty. Happy Mask Monday, ladies. And here we are again, a new Monday. And can you believe we are already solidly into September, which means fall is coming up and we have to say bye to summer. That's okay with me because fall is the favorite time of the year for me, one of my favorite seasons. And I welcome the change because it's been so stinking hot. So yeah, let's do something different, guys, okay? So anyway, today, aside from revealing the winner from last week's Mask Monday, ladies, which is the Labor Day giveaway, which is not really skincare, but a giveaway, right? And so, I have a message. Anyway, this is the mask I'll be using tonight, and I'm going to post this for you, hopefully in the evening, where in case you want to do a mask with me, you can. I typically post these videos early in the morning. I'm like, does that make sense? I don't really want to see who won from last week, but maybe I'll post it where, you know, some people say, oh, I want to do the mask with you, and kind of weird that you have to do it at 8 o'clock in the morning, right? So yeah, so I think I'll go ahead and post it a little bit later where you may want to go ahead and do a mask with me. So today I'm going to do the Dermtology Pumpkin Enzyme Mask. You know I love this mask because I do it often, and the reason why is because I need to exfoliate a little more off my face. I did do the other one last week and it was beautiful, but I want to go ahead and do this one because this is a heating one and I love it. So if you're interested in those things, please stay tuned. Welcome back, my beautiful wildflowers. As I said, I'm going to do this mask. But before we do that, what do we do always? Of course, our motivation. And today I found this one, which I really, really like. Okay. And it says, bringing happiness to others is life's greatest treasure. It really is. Bringing happiness to others is life's greatest treasures. And I really do believe that. And you know, the reason why I like this one so much is lately, I've been ever so often, I get these comments from this one person who is just so insignificant in my life that I really, seriously, I swear, can't remember their name. And it's the same troll person from the Islamic, the conversation site. And he keeps posting to me that, oh, you're a Muslim, you have to wear hijab. And obviously he's not a Muslim because if you look him up or where the things that he posts, you can tell the things he says is not a Muslim. And that, you know, he tries to tell me things and I just don't care. And I even see the name flash and I report it right away. He's harassing me. And so, yeah, and then the thing is, what pleasure do they derive out of doing that? I think I've gotten under his skin so much that he's just, I mean, it's boiling in him. I mean, he's just like crazy to get a reaction. You know what, guy? I'm never going to react to people that are so negative and that are so insignificant in my life. And that I'm not going to waste my time or I'm not going to waste my energy when I could be giving positivity to like my beautiful wildflowers, you guys. And so it really is important to bring happiness to others' lives because it is a great treasure. Because if you're not doing that, you're either unhappy or you're just not at a place in a, headspace where you can bring pleasure. And that's not a good place to be, I don't think. But yeah, and like I said, it's a treasure, but you have to work at it, right? And so it's really funny. And I just want you guys, if you see this post, and you're going to be able to tell who it is because he talks about a lot of garbage. And just ignore it. Just ignore it. And I'll report it when I see it. And so, but I do apologize that you guys may have to see this. And I just want to let you know that my intention is to only give you positive things, okay? And so, but if this insignificant fly is like, shoo, go away, fly, don't bother me. Anyway, if they want to continue, they can. They're wasting their time because, like I said, I don't even read their post. I see the name and I say, oh, I'm going to report. And it is what it is. And I know a couple of you have seen it because you've responded and said, well, this is not appropriate. Guys, don't worry. It does not bother me. It's so insignificant, this person. So, yeah. So, it is what it is. Anyway, so I'm going to go ahead and do this mask. And you guys know how much I love this mask. And this actually is, I mean, is really relaxing. And you would think not, because it's kind of like a peeling mask. But at the same time, it kind of warms up. Not kinda, it does warm up. It's really nice. And I'm going to go ahead and put it on here. And I do believe this is a limited time. You can't leave it on any more than a certain amount of time. Where is it? 5 minutes, is it? Where the heck is my directions? Where'd it go? I better look at the directions really good. Directions. Oh, 10 minutes. Yeah, you could only leave it on for 10 minutes because it does. Oh, I feel it warming up already. You can only put this on so that way, because it is actually, you know, a chemical like a peel, right? So it's an enzyme mask, and I'm really careful where I'm going to put this. I'm not going to put it like right along here because it tends to irritate that part of my, you know, my nose, and so I don't want to do that because I'm already peeling on a regular basis. I do use an exfoliant, you guys know that. And so I'm going to go ahead and do this. And here it goes. And it's starting to warm up. Oh my God, this thing smells so good, guys. If you haven't tried this, please try it. And Dermatology does have sales. And I want to make sure 10 minutes is 10 minutes here. Okay, and they do have sales, and they do have great products, so do look for it, especially this time of year or getting closer to the holidays. They have like 25% off, and this mask is so well worth it. But I'm gonna have to get another one because you don't go through this as much. You know, at least I don't use it every single week, and so I'm gonna have to get another one. I am definitely gonna buy another one because I do love this mask. And so, without further ado, let's go to commercial break and see who our winner is from last week's Mask Monday giveaway. Hello, my beautiful wildflowers. Here we are again, Mask Monday ladies, and I can't believe a week just went by so fast. And so today we are picking for the winner from last week's Mask Monday ladies giveaway, but except for it was more of a Labor Day giveaway, so with a different theme. And what I did already is I did include the video URL here, and then I filtered for duplicate users so everybody gets one try, and I filtered comments based on the text labor since it was Labor Day. Labor Day. And so I am going to show random names flashing by, and 9 plus 9 is 18. So let's see how many people actually participated. Okay, 31 comments with the word labor. And that sounds about right. That's about average. So, okay, let's go ahead and see who the winner is. Let's start. Okay, Angie Long. What did Angie have to say? Angie said, "Hi, Alexis. Happy Mask Monday and happy Labor Day. Congratulations to the winner. Woohoo! I love seeing the skincare you use in your routine, and I love masks." So let's go ahead, Angie, and see if you are subscribed to me publicly. And of course, you know that is a requirement. And so we're going to go ahead and check. And let's see. Here we go. Okay, we're going to go ahead and go until the end, and we're going to do our little trick. You know, one day it's not going to work anymore, and I'm going to be so sad because I'm going to have to change so many things because you know how technology constantly changes. So then somebody will have to let me know what the new trick is and finding out. So Command F. Okay, and let's say Haute. Okie dokie. Modesty. Okay, I don't see it that way, but as you guys know, that happens. And so what we will do is we will go into my channel and, channel dashboard. Oh, I'm still uploading something, so let's do a different tab. And I'm going to go ahead and I should have had that tab ready to go, but of course, I expected everything to work the way it should work. But, you know, that's asking a little bit too much on a Sunday afternoon, I guess. So I'm going to go ahead and there's more than one way to skin a cat, as you guys know this. And so I'm going to go ahead and see if I can find Angie's comment on the actual video, and then we'll go about it that way. And here's the video here, and we're going to look for the comments. So I need to go and look for Angie Long. And I'm going to have to go kind of slow with this because I don't want to pass by. And there's only, what do we say, 31 comments with the word. There we go. And here it is. It says publicly subscribe to you for 1 year. You guys see that, right? 1 year. And here's Angie. And I do not know why that happens. But yeah. So, okay, Angie. Let me hop on back over here. And so you do qualify. And I don't know why you don't show up here. But sometimes, you know, YouTube does some weird stuff. And either that or I must not be holding my mouth right. So, as you know, Angie, you have 48 hours to get back to me, and you can do so by using Instagram messaging, haute.modesty, MODESTY, or you can scroll all the way down on my details tab, and my email address will be there, whichever is easiest for you. But you have 48 hours to let me know that you've seen the video. So congratulations, Angie, and now we're going back to our regular programming. Okay, welcome back and congratulations, Angie. As per my directions, please do get in touch with me within 48 hours, okay? And again, congratulations. And you guys know I run these things weekly, and there is another hidden one that's actually out there, and you might want to check out some of the videos to find out which one they are. And so I did go ahead and run one that's coming up. And let's think of something as far as what would the next one be? Let's see. Fall. Let's use the word fall. Yeah, for next week's Monday giveaway would be fall, okay? And I'll put something together for you. I'm doing a little bit of skincare usually and a little bit of makeup as well. And so it's not a great big giveaway, but it is decent. So if you guys are interested in winning, please do make a comment below. Please do not. This is another thing. Please don't congratulate anybody by name. Don't say congratulations, Angie, because when you do, I have to kind of like hide your comments. I'm not deleting it. I'm hiding it because then other people won't watch the video, because some people just want to watch it to see if they won. And if they already see that Angie's won, they're not going to watch the video, and it doesn't help me out. So yeah, and please, by all means, say, you know, congratulations to the winner. That's great. But please don't say congratulations, Angie, or congratulations, whoever that the winner may be on that day, okay? Because that'll really help me out, guys. And so again, next week, the word is fall, F-A-L-L, okay? Put it in any way you want to. It doesn't even have to be the word in a season. It could be, I'm going to fall, you know? I may just trip and fall. So anything that uses the word. So, okay, that's that. And anyway, this mask, I just can't say enough about it. You guys know that. I mean, I love it. It just leaves my skin just so, I mean, nice, and it feels exfoliated, and, you know, but you have to actually put some kind of a moisturizer or something behind it. I use CeraVe. I mean, the one in a big tub. I just kind of put it in my hand, and I just rub it all over the place after I use a neutralizing toner. And so that way, because with this type of exfoliating mask, it does dry your face out. So you want to make sure that you replenish that moisture by putting on a nice lotion, whatever it is that you want, you know, whatever moisturizer, and, you know, make it a habit to do that. So anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed it. I enjoyed it, and I really love that mask. And so I'm waiting for it to go on sale, because when it does, I'm going to go ahead and buy me another one, because I'm sure this is getting ready to expire, because I bought it about a year ago this time. I think it was around like Thanksgiving time. So when that happens, I'll go ahead and just get rid of this one, and then, you know, bring in the other one, because it's only good for 12 months. So I think it's 12 months. Yeah. So anyway, my beautiful wildflowers, if I added any value, please hit like. And if you haven't subscribed yet and you're interested in these type of contents, please do subscribe by hitting the subscribe button below and ringing the bell and select all, so you know every time I upload a brand new video. Alrighty, my beautiful wildflowers, I want you to have a good day, a good night, a good week, or a good weekend whenever you're watching this. And it does not matter unless you're trying to win a giveaway. Then you're going to have to watch it before I pick the names, okay? Alrighty, so I will see you soon, and feel the roses. Be a wildflower, and never sweat the small stuff. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye. Been a long day. I recorded a video for you guys today. You probably already watched it. It's the Sunday one, and then now I had to get all the makeup off and then do all that stuff, but it's been really fun. And I'll be honest with you, it's been a really good weekend. I'm glad about that. I feel like for a change that I'm getting like all of my weekends. Sometimes it doesn't feel like it, you know, but it does now. But matter of fact, I can't forget, one of my girlfriends actually texted me while I was recording. She says, I need to talk to you. Can you talk? I'm like, can I call you like at 8 o'clock? And she's like, okay. So I gotta go ahead and call her. Yeah, she's struggling a little bit, but that's okay. You know, we all do. And I'm just glad to be able to be there for her. And yeah, and I hope you guys have somebody when you're struggling. And if you don't, you know, ping me. Yeah, I'm one of those people that love to listen. So anyway, my beautiful wildflowers, I love you guys from the very bottom of my lip ventricles. Okay? And so I'll see you soon and have a very safe week. Mwah.